It's $50. You get a lash manual, and on top of that, you'll also receive a certificate of completion. Yes, you will get a lash training certificate at the end of our virtual lash training session. Please email me at dglashco@yahoo.com. The first 25 people, you guys have requested this, so please take advantage. Now we're gonna just wet some cotton rounds with warm water, and now we're just gonna start to wipe off the foaming solution. We're gonna get all of that foam up, and we're just gonna dry the eyes. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Very simple. Just put the foam on, brush it in, wet a nice little cotton pad with warm water. Kind of clean the eyes up a little bit, get all of that foam off. We're going to use a dry cotton round as well, just to kind of pat it dry. And then afterwards, we're just going to take a little lash fan as well. You'll see that here in a moment, but the camera is so close. But there's going to be a lash fan, and I'm just going to dry the eye, and then we're done. But yes, everyone has been asking me about training, how I can help them, and there's so many of you and not many of me. I have been doing lashes since 2017, so please, please, please take advantage. I'm licensed. I was a lash trainer for 2 years, full-time, like literally. This is a great opportunity. I normally charge over $400 for lash trainings. Yes, over $400 for in-person and virtual lash trainings, but I am doing a huge special, $50. So we can do a one-on-one lash training for $50. I will send you a manual, a training manual, a lash certificate. We'll go over everything you need to know within 1 hour, all virtually, just for $50. Again, email me at dglashco@yahoo.com. The first 25 people to sign up, you will get the $50 special. And yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys so much more content. So after you dry the eyes, go in with your mascara wand and brush them out. Make sure they're nice and fluffy, and you're good to go.